Welcome to the second lesson in this course. We are talking about the vowels. What is the vowels? It's like in English when you have, for example, the letter S and you add A to it. That's pronounced sa, right? We have the same thing in Arabic, but we call it the vowels. It's sign that we put instead of a letter, okay? Let's see an example. So here, if you take a look at this is the sign that I'm talking about. It's a small line at the top of the letter, always at the top, and this is letter Alif. With this sign on it, that makes it A. And this one, Ba, Ta, and so on. You see that? So it's as the same example that we mentioned about S and A pronounced Sa. Now we have Fatha, this one we talked about, Kasra, and Dhamma. These three basic vowels that we are talking about. Each one of them makes a different sound. We talked about the first, Fatha. It's like adding A to any of the letters. Next, Kasra, it's like adding E sound to all the letters. Dhamma, it's like adding O sound to all the letters. Now, let's take a look. For example, we are picking any letter in here. Let's say letter Sin, all right? As you see, letter Sin with a Fatha, Sa. With a Kasra, Si. With a Dhamma, Su. So Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. You may have noticed that Sin look different, right? Sometimes it's with a shape that looks like this, and one that's different, and the other is also different. So this is what we need to know, that before practicing, if you take a look in here, you see the words. It's a little bit different. The letters are a bit different than we took in the first lesson, right? What we need to do is simply that we will take a look in here. Each letter, as you see, have different shape depending on the position inside the word. It's very simple. What you need to do is that you take a look at this page, page 7 in here. I will leave it for you. You just need to take a look at it, give it time. Take a look at each letter, how it looks like in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Okay? Simple as that. And when you do so, then you move to practice to the actual words. Let's assume that you have done this step. What's coming is very, very important. Please listen carefully and focus. So this is how I will think when I try to practice and read. I would look at it. Here's the word, and we have separated the letters to make it easier for you, okay? So I will say, what is this letter? This is letter Alif with what? That's a Dhamma on it. So this is pronounced oo. Then this is letter Dal with a Kasra under it. This is pronounced the. Great. Now, the last one is Noon, and it's having a Fatha. So I pronounce it Na. So this word is U, the, na. U, the, na. Udina. So this is how it's pronounced. You see, this process of thinking is what you will need whenever you are practicing. Okay? So you apply this for every word that you read and when you are practicing. Okay? Simple as that. We finished the lesson. Please do not forget to practice. It's not going to take you long, just 5 minutes after the lesson. And next, we will be talking about sukun.